Now let us start a new topic in the solid geometry, that is cylinder. So first see the cylinder. What is cylinder? A cylinder is the surface generated by a straight line which is parallel to a fixed straight line and satisfying one other condition of the type that it intersects a given curve or touches a given surface. Now see this first figure here. It is our straight line, and that straight line is parallel to a fixed line. It is fixed line, which is also called axis, and it is our given curve, whatever the curve may be. So the surface generated by this straight line, which is parallel to this line and passing through this surface, passing through this curve, is called a cylinder. So it is a cylinder here. But suppose if this given curve, that is also called the guiding curve, if it is a circle, then this cylinder is called right circular cylinder. Now see here, the fixed straight line is called the axis of cylinder. So this line is axis here in both the figure, it is axis. The variable line, it is a variable line. These two, they are called generator. And if the generator intersect the given curve, the curve is called a guiding curve. So here this curve, it is a guiding curve. Here this circle is a guiding curve here. So if guiding curve is a circle, then the cylinder is also called the right circular cylinder. Now it is what I have told here, what is right circular cylinder. Then see equation of right circular cylinder. To find the equation of right circular cylinder, whose radius is r and axis is the line. Suppose axis का equation given है और radius given है, so we can find equation of right circular cylinder. So see here this figure here, axis का equation मालूम है, r is the radius of cylinder, so p alpha beta gamma, it is any point here on the cylinder, and a, it is a fixed point, a is a fixed point on the axis and r is the radius. Draw here PQ, it is PQ perpendicular to axis BC. So from the right angle triangle AQP, it is here triangle. By theorem of Pythagoras, AP square, it is AP square equals to AQ square plus R square. But AP square, we can find AP square, x minus alpha a alpha minus x dash whole square plus beta minus y dash whole square gamma minus z dash whole square. Now AQ is the projection here of line AP on the axis BC by projection formula. So we can write here it is our AQ. So AQ square निकाल लिए, equation 1 becomes this. पूरा simplify करो, x alpha beta gamma को replace करना है by x y z. On simplifying, we'll get equation of right circular cylinder. The equation of right circular cylinder can also be written in this way. So we can find here, which is easy to remember. We can find the equation of right circular cylinder if you know number 1 radius, number 2 direction cosines of axis, and 1 point on axis. Now see this example. Find the equation of RCC, that is right circular cylinder. Radius is 2, axis passes through this point, and DC is proportional to this. Or axis of cylinder of radius 2 is x minus 1 by 2. ये यहाँ से फाइंड आउट की अपने लाइन का इक्वेशन, लाइन पास हो रही है थ्रू द पॉइंट 103, दैट इज x minus 1 y minus 0 z minus 3 upon lmn. Actually they are the direction ratio, that is 2 3 1, it is 2 3 and 1, to show that its equation is this. So axis of right circular cylinder is passing through the point 103 and DC is proportional to this. Its line का equation निकाल लिया अपन ने. Now equation of right circular cylinder whose axis is this and radius is r is given by this well known formula. Just substitute here L equal to 2, M equal to 3 and N equal to 1, which are the DRS, and X dash Y dash Z equal to 103. So equation 1 become this. पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करोगे सिलेंडर का इक्वेशन आ जाएगा. Then find the equation of right circular cylinder of radius 2 whose axis is the line. Same problem as you know in the last problem. Axis of cylinder is this, radius is 2, and now equation of RCC with axis is this and radius is R is given by this formula. Substitute all the value, simplify this whole, you will get equation. So friends, thanks for watching this. See you in the next class. So stay at home, stay safe.